Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Dorcas Adeyinka àti Alujo láṣìwá o, eléyìí tún gbẹ́nu tán ó kà màmá. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bẹ́ ṣé ń wo fídíò yẹn máa bá mi like, ẹ máa bá mi share, kẹ́dẹ̀ tẹ notification button yín tẹ̀ tí subscribe. Ó yá, ẹ bá mi tẹ subscribe button yín, ọwọ́ tẹ fi ń subscribe, tẹ fi ń tẹ notification button. Ẹ ní fi gba lẹ́sà ìbànújẹ́ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Owó ayọ̀, owó ire lẹ máa fi ọwọ́ yín kà lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀.
Couple of those voice of Alujo going around, going viral, describing the feeling, a romantic and sexy feeling, a purpose, an affection, love affections, a romantic affection, a feeling, in fact, sexy feeling. Tí Alujo ní toward you. Tí kò gbé wọn ọ̀tá ẹ̀ kò ṣe AI, kò ṣe bí wọ́n ṣe cut and join. Alujo voice. A proposal. A confirmed evidence to show wípé something is actually going down between you and Alujo. Dorcas, ṣe ń lé méjì. Dorcas, there was one of the messages between you and the Princess Mopelola that was showed on this social media. Tó ní bí Alujo lọ ṣe HIV test. Dorcas, John to your law. How do you want to defend that? HIV test for what? Follow you meet at the airport. I became back in the raw. How do you want to defend that? She ain't like it. Because a pictures of you arriving to Nigeria, a whole British girl, a lady that lives in abroad, Facebook fracas celebrity, well known, as name, celebrity somehow, has a voice, and a married woman, as she claimed. Alujo gbọ́wọ́ sí ìtàn ẹ̀, sáàárín ìtàn ẹ̀. ìwọ náà sùn ó gbórí lé ní ṣódà ó gọ̀ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ lọ́nà ti tired. From London to Nigeria is only 6.5 hours or 6 hour flight, if not even 5.5 hour flight. Onotire. That was what you said. Onotire. Ogbori ti shoulder. Ogbo so sáàrin àárín ìdán. How do you want to defend that? And these are the physical evidence I'm talking about now, right? You could have bought Tari. A video of you and him. To your DC lane. To your DC Biokwe. To no di badi emu. Teyonjo. Àríyàn náà ìyàwó ilé ló pé rẹ̀. How do you want to defend that? The voice of you, your voice, that I want to go to Gberigbe. How do you want to defend that? Mo ń bẹ́ yọ wọn kíní yìí ni because àwọn tí wọ́n ń bẹ́ jà yìí wọ́n ní gbogbo kíní yìí lọ́wọ́. Tí wọ́n bá ń yọ gbogbo kíní yìí síta fún ẹ. I'm trying to understand how do you want to do. Ó ní ibi tí mo ń lọ o. Don't get me wrong. Ó ní ibi tí mo ṣe ń lọ o. But I am saying all of this to you because mo fẹ́ kí wọ́n náà máa gbé yẹ̀ wò. I'm not even going to grammar. Gbogbo ìtí mo pé lọ́la ṣe bí ìtí mo pé lọ́la bá sọ is considered as third party. Mo pé lọ́la ló sọ gbogbo yẹn third party ṣe nìyẹn. Ẹ gbọ́. Mo pé lọ́la lè parọ́. Ó lè fi kún. Ó lè yọ kúrò ńbẹ̀. Right? I'm just saying third party ṣe nìyẹn. Èyí tí òṣètò party lèmi mo ṣe ń list lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ grammar. Èyí tó òṣètò party tá a fojú rí tá a fetí gbọ́ òun mo ṣe sọ. I'm still coming on Mopelola one. Do you get it, Dorcas? How do you want to defend that? Even in your own explanation tí ẹ mọ̀ sí ṣàlàyé tó ń defend àrẹ́gbà tó sọ gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ ń gbà ẹ̀. Ní kéèsì tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin wa àti Princess Mopelola gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ ń gbà ẹ̀ náà kò ń ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ tó jẹ́ ènìyàn rere kó máa sọ síta. Àbí tọ́jú náà kọ́ ọmọlúwàbí ènìyàn. Do you get it? Now, Alujo himself has came out with whatever tó bá òun kó sọ fún mọ̀mí Esabod. But èyí tó kọ ní orin kọ. How do you want to defend that? There are people that saw you and this guy, a person like your manager, Folake, and others, including Folagan fúnra rẹ̀. Tóun bíbí ò bá tẹ̀lé sọ̀rọ̀, wọ́n mú nǹkan tó fojú ara wọn rí. Tó bá pẹ́, tó bá yá, wọ́n á sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ̀rú Dorcas, tó bá pẹ́, tó bá yá, wọ́n á sọ̀rọ̀. How do you want to defend this? Now, either I believe or not, as old as Mopolola she is, which I don't think, not that it's not possible, but I am saying I don't think, as old as she is, and the way that she carry you then, I don't think she will have a good reason at a paromwe. He got to jewelry in the hotel. A rí ibi tí Alujo ti gbé fi ètè kan ètè tí gbogbo pancake tẹ kùn sójú. Ó lè mọ́ Alujo ní ètè. How do you want to defend that? The voice record between you, Mopolola, how do you want to defend all of that? You get me? Now, I have a reason why I'm saying all of this. So, it's so much of evidence against you. It's so much of things that can be connected or put together which we can end up saying wípé a ní wà tí bọ̀bọ́ ìta ẹ̀ ẹ̀dọ́ra yín. And he said, a ní ẹ̀dọ́ra yín sẹ́. Now I'm saying that based on everything I have said. Of course, ìwọ ló mọ̀ bí ẹ̀dọ́ra yín àbẹ̀ ní ẹ̀dọ́ra yín. Alujo ló mọ̀ bóyá ẹ̀dọ́ra yín abẹ́ ẹ̀dọ́ra yín. Maybe tó bá fi voice note sílẹ̀ fún mi yìí. Bọ́ voice note kí ló sọ.
Miss Koilano, Ojo rọ̀ gan ni atẹ́gùn pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ láti fi sùn. Fóònù ọmọ mìíràn dẹ̀ ti kú. Tẹ̀. Moise.
Anyway, make sure ó wà lé. Just make sure everybody wà lé. You guys stay home, okay? Because we're going to have make sure ó wà lé. All right. Màá pè é later mo wà lórí live chat. Now, Dorcas, let us assume no. Oh Lord, who is your body? Hold on. Hello, Miriam.
Hello, sir.
Miriam, báwo ni?
Fine, sir.
Good morning. Just You just wake up.
Yes, sir.
You okay?
Yes, sir.
And báwo ni kí ló ń ṣe?
Nothing, sir.
What are you doing today?
I just want to now. Just go and read.
Want to go and read? Okay. Smart and call. Smart and call.
Cage.
One in cage. Okay.
Fine.
Okay. No problem. Hold on for me now. Mo pe ìfẹ́ lálẹ́ àná, so I left her a message, so get hold of him, okay?
Okay, sir.
And I will talk to you guys later.
Okay. Bye-bye, sir.
Bye, I love you. I've been sorry about that. Now, maybe one day, Alujo will come out and speak out Dorcas. Maybe one day, this guy will come out and speak. Or we don't know what Mommy Esabod she's gonna be doing after her birthday in America. After her birthday in America, we don't know what she's gonna be bringing out. Dorcas, báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ defend it? Now, like I said, it's your private life, right? But because you are pug-nosed and you've entered many people's private life, so for you to have your own private life, our people you need for especially when you are displaying of lack of transparency. One if fear long sílẹ̀. In another word, àwọn tí wọ́n ṣì wà pẹ̀lú eléyìí that you consider them to be Odosians, tí gbogbo kíni bá wá expose, how do you explain to them? How do you explain to them? Mo rí eléyà wèrè ni, eléyà orí eléyìí burú, orí eléyìí burú. Ó ń bọ̀. This is one of your this lady. I'm sure everybody believes this lady belongs to your team. She's your team members. Ètò pé ní Solide Kemi torí mo ní pé ó ṣe show ní bí àná àbẹ́ni náà ni. I saw the name on your page and although I have been seeing her updates in the last few days, mo lè rí bó ṣe ń celebrate Mommy Esabod. Right? Ó ṣe àwọn update kan. and I'm going to read that update. Torí tí ọ̀rọ̀ kì í jẹ́ ti tẹni. Kéèyàn má mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o, èmi lọ̀rọ̀ yìí bá wí. Ó gbọ́, ọ̀rọ̀ kì í jẹ́ ti tẹni. Kéèyàn má mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ẹ wá èmi ni wọ́n ń bá wí. A kò ní làákàyè jura wa. A dẹ̀ ní ìgbẹ́kàlé ọ̀rọ̀ jura wa lọ. Now, this is one of the first updates mo kọ́kọ́ rí tí bèbí yìí ṣe. Ìyẹn sọ di DKY. Only after the rag play the blue, digging and destroying people, family, cause of social media riff and power tussle is petty. Only wicked and cruel show me the integrity here. Worry one of the comments. To so we from her. Only many of those sponsors and enabler are depressed and suffer major psychiatric disorder. Hence, only that is the misplaced priority. Show me one of them that can put their own children out there to perform same insane character. Come on. You all should get a life. So that's one of the updates to share by Mo and by no celebrate Mommy Esabod. Now, recently, ìgbà yẹn ó kàn sí ń ṣó ara ẹni pé wá gbogbo wàhálà tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin wa àti Mommy Esabod yẹn àkókò wọn ó ti stand out. Òun go this route. Now, ó ṣe tó wá ṣe update kan recently tí mo rí few days ago. Only anything you lose by being real is fake. That's the caption. The update now said that only I fell back from so many people. Kò sí jà, only no beef. Only our definition of real just ain't the same. Our definition of being real won't share the same thing. Only so don't let anybody make you feel crazy because you figure them out. Hello. Intelligence ló fi kọ update. Don't let anybody make you feel crazy because you figure them out. 100%. If I found out you have not been real with me, hello? If I found out you have not been real with me, you have no right to demand my loyalty. If I found out that you are not being real with me, then you have no damn right to demand my loyalty. Sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn yé ẹ ṣá, Dorcas, mo ṣọ̀pọ̀ oyè ẹ̀. You have no right to demand my loyalty. If I found out that you are not being real with me, what is the definition of this lady? What does she mean by real? Òun ni wípé tábà sọ wípé ìwà àtàlùjọ ẹ̀ ń dóra yín àbálùjọ dó ẹ̀, ó dẹ̀ ń parọ́ pé irọ́sẹ̀ àní kò ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́. Mo ń sọ kó lè mọ bó ṣe kan tó ń sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ òun sọ pẹ̀lú ọpọlọ ni. Gẹ́gẹ́ mi sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe máa ń keep it honest bí bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe máa ń sọ níbà. Ìgbà tẹ́lẹ̀ bá sọ wípé if there is so much evidence out there pé wà tàlùjú tá ẹ fọ́ra yín lẹ́nu sẹ́ẹ̀, ìwọ sọ pé ẹ àní kò ṣẹlẹ̀. Now òun wá sọ wípé if I found out you have not been real with me lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà lẹ́yìn sẹ́ẹ̀, then o ní right láti demand loyalty tó lóun parọ́ pé kí ni yóò ṣẹlẹ̀ fún mi. So how do you expect me to be loyal to you? That's what he's saying right there. Now many people left your team recently because of this statement tí obìnrin yẹn kọ. Now, are you going to lose more people when they find out the real things? Tell everybody about fear still and by. Will you blame them for not being loyal or stand by you because you are not being real with them? I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but I'm sure you understand me when she break down updating. Now she went further by saying that you have no right to demand my loyalty. Only you don't manufacture the air that I breathe in. I am okay by being solid. I don't have to fit in because I am made to stand out peace and love. Be mindful of people who never remember. Okay, yeah, that's another one. Only be mindful of people. Be mindful of people who never remember your good deeds. They are worse than a kinope, than kinoko serpent dramatic. Well, so I saw that update when he ọ̀rọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀mí báyìí. Of course, gbogbo ọmọ ewé ti jump síbẹ̀. Ọmọ ewé yóò kò lójú tì rárá. Unfortunately, ọmọ ewé lójú tì. Honestly, I shame yín dẹ̀ shame me. Honestly, you know, I just keep it real. Shame ẹ̀yin ọmọ ewé. Ó ń shame mi. Shame ẹ̀yin ọmọ ewé ó kọ shame mi ṣá. Ẹ kò ní shame like fucking dirty. Ẹ kò wà dirty, very dirty, very dirty. Ẹ dirty kan. No boundary can fighting ṣá ni. Ẹ kò yá ẹni tẹ́ẹ̀dì tẹ́lẹ̀. Ẹ wá yàrá yín lọ síbẹ̀. Ẹ báyìí ni ẹ̀ ń gba di kampi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ gba gbóyún ká bá di speaker yín lẹ́nu ẹ bá yà síbẹ̀. Bó jẹ́ lómìnira ẹ yà síbẹ̀. This is ridiculous. Anyway, you see, that is the update from one of the person everyone believes to be one of your speakers, your followers. And if I'm not mistaken, either today or yesterday, I should update the no belongs to any team or group or WhatsApp. And that's for the record. No belongs to any group or WhatsApp. ó sọ fún ẹ clearly pé òun ṣọmọ odó, which to me right there, if I need to make a point, two-faced ló ṣe ń bẹ̀ yẹn, keeping it honest with Solid Kemi tó bá ń gbọ́ mi, you are a two-faced. To update yẹn, update two-faced ni. In case tó bá mọ̀ bí fracas ṣe ń work, I will help you to understand. To bá sọ pé o believe sí group kan, everybody knew that you are from Odo, but tó bá wá sọ pé o belong sí group kan, ó wà okay right ẹni láti sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé ọ̀dọ̀ wọn ọmọ ewé ló wà nísìn, àbẹ̀wé ló ń support nísìn? Bó o tẹ̀ wá kọ́ máa kó sọ pé ọmọ ewé ni ẹni tàbí òun support ọmọ ewé, kò yẹ. We all understand the game you are playing. Èmi á kàn fún ẹ ní àmọ̀ràn ti tèmi ni. Ṣé kí n fẹ́ lámọ̀ràn? Àmọ̀ràn mi ò ju wípé tó bá ní pé òun ṣọmọ odó àbó òun ṣọmọ anything, but olóyà onífẹ̀ẹ́ mọ̀mí Esther board páńpẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ wà lórí àjà, wọ́n bẹ tọ́jú ẹ̀ síbẹ̀, wàá jẹgba. Kò sí kan tó wà bad tí èèyàn bá ṣe out of fracas, kó wà neutral, kó love everybody, or kó máa wò everybody ń tiẹ̀, kó tà kó dá wà ń tiẹ̀. Ó wá ń gbé cyborg, òun celebrate cyborg day and night, òun ju bullet, òun ju oko, somehow síbi tí wọ́n everybody believe pé ó wà. Two-faced betrayer ló máa ń porú wọn lórí fracas. Two-faced betrayer ló máa ń porú wọn. Àwọn tó wá ń celebrate lẹ́ni, wọ́n máa fi bú ẹ lọ́la. Just go and write it down. Advice mo fún ẹ, wọ́n máa fi bú ẹ lọ́la. Sori gbé bọ́dì ṣe, kàn báwa máa bú gbé bọ́dì lọ́la àbí kó máa bú lẹ́ni. Gbé bọ́dì show kò tó ń pè ní nothing but loyalty. Even though Dorcas to deserve loyalty, gbé bọ́dì. Let me make myself very clear and let me say it again, okay? In your own update also pé if you find out about someone lying to you, then that person does not deserve your loyalty. I agree with you 100%. I agree with that statement, Solid Kemi. I agree with you, but also understand, the body case, either she find out the truth or not, but she show her loyalty, and it goes a long way. It shows the kind of person who she is. She may believe that Dorcas or perfect, but she stands with her loyalty, unlike you. And that's the name, the faith. You tell everybody mama feel any you have the right, you have that choice to make the best decision for yourself. But you will be seen as a betrayer. And let me further help you to understand how fracas work. Ọ̀gá MC Oluomo, torí èèyàn mìíràn ni MC Oluomo. Àdèmọ̀ pé pàdí ẹ ní MC Oluomo, pàdí èèyàn ẹni MC Oluomo. Mọ́mì tó celebrate lẹ́nìí, hater MC Oluomo ni, kò fẹ́ràn MC Oluomo. Ṣùgbọ́n àìkè kankan gbé e mọ́ra, kò fẹ́ràn kí ni mo pè MC Oluomo. So tó bá wá ń tẹ̀sí MC Oluomo lójú, àbóǹbó MC Oluomo tó jẹ́ pé pàdí títí ẹ, because èmi feel pé MC Oluomo pàdí ẹ ni relation, bó ṣe mọ MC Oluomo ó yàtọ̀ sí bó ṣe mọ level mọ́mì tó celebrate lẹ́yìn. Tí mọ́mì tó bá ń fojú MC Oluomo gbolẹ̀, báwo ló ṣe máa react? How will you feel? Nígbà tí màmá ẹ̀ bá ń bẹ ń bú MC Oluomo, ẹni tó yẹ pé èèyàn ti tiẹ̀ ni, ṣáàrà ẹ̀ máa gbà á? Does that even show pé o wà lóyà sí MC Olúọmọ? Nígbà tí wọ́n bá gbé ẹni tó ń bú èèyàn tiẹ̀ pàdé èèyàn tiẹ̀ gangan tí wọ́n lọ ń romance yẹn tó ń celebrate ẹ̀ ó dẹ̀ pé ìyá yìí máa ń bú èèyàn ẹ̀ ṣé o wà lóyà sí MC Olúọmọ? I'm only saying this loud to you. Maybe if you haven't think that far or ro débẹ̀ mo kàn fẹ́ kó yé ẹni. Ṣé o lóyà sí MC Olúọmọ? Ẹni tó ń tẹ̀ bọ̀ tó ń bú MC Olúọmọ all the time. You know? So lóyà sí, I will leave that question to yourself to answer yourself to judge your, make that decision. This is because àwọn ọmọ bó ṣe máa ń tẹ̀sẹ̀ MC Olúọmọ lójú. And this is somebody that happen to be your own person. Well, they want to celebrate ló gbé mọ́ra the romance. On so many kéré àgbàlagbà ní just hold on to that. Now back to you, Dorcas. Njọ́ tí àwọn nǹkan tí wọ́n ń bò yìí tó ń pamọ́ yìí àbí tó ń deny tó bá wá expose síta gbaragba tó expose síta jọ ojú ló fẹ́ máa fi wọ́n tíìmù ẹ̀ àbáwọn tó support rẹ̀ àbáwọn tó jà fún ẹ lẹ́nu. How will you explain to them? What will you say to them? Wọ́n ti ń fọ̀rọ̀ yìí ní ti over a year kò kúrò ńlẹ̀ kò ṣe pé ṣe ló ń lọ sílẹ̀ ó escalate sí ni. In fact transparency ti ó hàn sí ni pé àníṣe ẹ wà àlùjọ ẹ fọ́ra yín lẹ́nu. Ṣó fẹ́ dìde o fẹ́ swallow pride ẹ̀ kó sọ pé what, fuck it, yes àdúrà wa then what next? Will you be able to do that? Àbọ̀mọdúró lórí iṣẹ́ pé ìwọ àlùjọ wo kò lè rí pátá ẹ̀ sórí lẹ́bù yẹn ló ṣe fẹ́ dúró sí. Because me if somebody ask me personally pé àlùjọ àìdọ́kọ̀ àbálẹ̀ ìgbójú kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀hún lè ti dúra wọ́n fẹ́ dúra wọn pa ni. Èmi máa sọ kọ́tẹ́ mi máa sọ lẹ́yìn yẹn ni mò ń sọ wájú ẹ̀. If anybody come to me or if kọ́tẹ́ mi tẹ̀ sọ lẹ́yìn yẹn ni kò gbé kọ́tẹ́ máa sọ lẹ́yìn kọ́tẹ́ mi sọ lẹ́yìn yẹn ni òun ni mò ń sọ yìí. Gbogbo wọn tó bá bí mi àbáwọn tó ń bí mi pé gbọ́ DKY do you be abẹ ṣe má jẹ́ ń ṣe èrè ni ìbéèrè oríbèrè dìde ni wọlé ń bè lọ́mì ojú yín fọ́ tí ń di ni ṣé ẹ̀yin ò ríran ni àyè ṣe ponú báyìí bébí ṣe máa sọ fún wọn nìyẹn ṣé ẹ̀yin ponú ni ẹ̀yin ò ríran ni ẹ̀yin ò lajú ṣé ẹ̀yin ò ń ṣe obìnrin ni especially tó bẹ́ pọ̀ obìnrin ló ń bí ọ̀rọ̀ dìde nìyẹn lọ́wọ́ mi ọ̀rọ̀ dìde nìyẹn lèmi máa kà sí tó wọ́n bá ń béèrè ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lọ́wọ́ mi pé ṣe má jẹ́ ṣe bóbìnrin ni ṣé ẹ̀yìn òpópó àwọn pépè dúra wọn ni. So that is just my own how I see it. So ọ̀rẹ́ mi yìí kò sọ̀rọ̀ tó lè sọ fẹ́ mi wàláì kò sí ìbúra tó lè búra kò sí bó ṣe lè sọ pé sẹ́ ẹ kò bọ́ pátá ẹ àbò bọ́ pátá fún. Mi ò lè mo lè máa fúra mi ní edic kí n máa béèrè question yẹn mọ́ mi ò lè béèrè orú question yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn àwọn tó ń béèrè mi mọ̀ wàhálà tí wọ́n nìyẹn I cannot be asking such question pé kò ṣẹlẹ̀. For how long do you want to continue to do this? That's my own things. How long? And like I said earlier, the more you are not being transparent about all of this, and there are more of things to convince people to believe that all of this thing is happening. Mama continue to be rather than to just stand firm and say, you know what, fuck all of you. Yes, I did it. Yes, this happened. Yes, this happened, and fuck you all. What they fear, yeah. Everybody there, but they be so DJ. Because ọ̀rọ̀ Alujo yìí ló jẹ́ kó máa question pé ta ni bàbá bébì.